Supershieldz, Protection Professional. Before getting started, the ideal environment should be dust-free, and make sure to wash your hands. First, take the included alcohol pad and wipe the entire phone thoroughly. Next, use the microfiber cloth to clean the screen and remove any moisture left by the alcohol pad. If there are still dust particles on the screen, you may use the provided dust absorber to help remove them. Once the screen is completely clean, now you should be ready to install the screen protector. Take the screen protector and slowly peel back the backing as shown in the video. Be careful not to touch the adhesive side. Now, line up the edges and use the top earpiece as a guide. You must also leave an even amount of space on all sides when aligning the screen protector. Once the screen protector is on the phone, firmly press the center of the phone to help the screen protector attach itself. If there are any bubbles remaining, you can remove them by taking the microfiber cloth and pushing them firmly towards the edges of the phone. Some bubbles may take 24 to 48 hours before disappearing. At Supershieldz, we're fully committed to the quality of our products. If you encounter any issues, you may contact us at any time and we're more than happy to help.